Good day. I am Gina F. Aguilar, Organic Agriculture Institute trainer. Welcome to the second module of this course, Formulating Organic Concoctions and Extracts. In this module, you will learn how to make organic concoctions and extracts from various raw materials that you may find in the farm. Organic concoction and extracts are farm inputs that you can use as soil amendment, plant fertilizer, supplementary nutrition, as well as natural sanitizers for animal houses. Everything you will learn in this module will be used in the succeeding modules. You can also use this learning in applying for a certificate of competency at the nearest TESDA Accredited Assessment Center. Whenever you are ready, let's learn something fun.